The overall goal of the following experiment is to determine the effects of pulse energy and timing parameters for detection of elements in non-conducting materials like soil simulants using laser-induced breakdown spectroscopy, or LIBS. This is achieved by focusing a laser pulse onto the soil simulant to create a plasma. The light from the plasma is spectrally resolved and detected to provide information about the elements in the sample. As a second step, atomic emission lines from the spectra in the synthetic silicate samples, which have varying concentrations of trace elements, are used to create calibration curves at various energies and timing parameters. Next, the calibration curves are used to determine sensitivities and detection limits for different pulse energies and timing parameters. Results are obtained that show that lower pulse energies provide similar detection limits to those achieved using higher pulse energies, and that there will be a slight loss in detection capabilities when using non-gated mode detection.
The main advantages of the LIBS technique include being able to analyze solids, liquids, or gases with little or no sample preparation, providing both quantitative and qualitative analyses, detecting multi-elements, and needing only optical access to the surface. This makes it ideal for analyses that cannot be carried out in the laboratory.
Currently, LIBS is being used for many different applications, especially those that require field-based measurements.
The system in this video uses a Q-switched ND-YAG laser operating at 1064 nanometers with a pulse frequency repetition rate of 10 Hz. Mirrors direct the laser beam to a 70